Bruh. Okay, well, Kamora. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So, I usually have more than just this. I do use Vaseline on my face. Vaseline, you can't go wrong with Vaseline, baby. But all my stuff, is at my auntie house. Make a trip out there so I can go get all my face stuff and all my shower stuff. Like, I need everything. So, I use Vaseline on my face. Then I go in with this Rose Water Refreshing Facial Mist. Rose Water Refreshing Facial Mist. Say that 3 times fast. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna talk my head off. I'm about to go back. What's up, kid guys? I just did my morning routine. Fresh face, fresh body, fresh locks, but I usually do in the morning. I usually get Kamora first, Kamora dressed first, or Kamora ready for the day first. But the girl needs to get in the shower, and I needed to get myself together. But mama needs some time too, baby girl. But today is vlog day. I'm about to cook us some breakfast. I want to go to Walmart today because I want to cook some salmon. I want to cook mashed potatoes, and I want to cook some asparagus tonight. I'm gonna actually use her cat so I can go to Walmart and get the food. Period. So I'll catch y'all either when I'm going to Walmart or when I pop it back on my screen. Bye. We finna head to Walmart.
God damn!
Kamora'S up there having a tantrum because she don't want to drink water. You silly. Stop touching other people's cars. Come on. You got it. Bottom. Alright, y'all. We are in the car. We headed to Walmart. I said before, I want to cook some salmon. Yes. Okay, good job. Okay, like I was saying, y'all. We on our way to Walmart. We're finna, I want to cook some salmon, some asparagus, and some mashed potatoes tonight. So my camera is finna die, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get any footage in Walmart. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't. And we'll catch y'all when we get back to his house. Bye. Alright, Kiki, we just made it to Walmart. We're gonna turn it down because we're not gonna get copyrighted. But I need to go in Walmart to get 3 things: salmon, asparagus, and some potatoes, because that's what I want to cook for dinner tonight. Catch y'all when we are back in the car. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Okay.
Alright. Bye. I don't see these asparagus. Y'all, they got these, but they little. I'm not sure if I want the little ones or the big ones. But for that price, we might just get these. So I got what I came for. I got my salmon. Kamora wanted some cherries. I haven't had watermelon in so long. And here's Kamora acting like Kamora.
You got 2 then?
Yeah, I got 2 because Granny needed 6 of them. Yeah. That's all we need out of here.
I want a toy alligator.
Okay, mommy don't know what a toy alligator is, baby.
I want one.
You don't even know where it's at. You just be asking for stuff.
I just want one, Mommy.
Okay, when we come back, we'll get one, okay? Okay, say bye to Key Gang. Say peace out.
Peace out.
We got the goodies. We got the goodies. We'll catch y'all when we get into the car. Bye. Okay, skin. All right, y'all. We just made it from Walmart. There's Kamora. I got what I needed to get, and then some. You know how black folks be. We go to the store, and for one thing, and we come out with everything plus what we was supposed to be going to the store to get. But y'all, I'm tired from walking out that damn store and putting groceries in the trunk. But yeah, y'all. So I'll catch y'all when we get back to the house. Okay. All right, we'll catch y'all when we get back to the house, y'all. Bye.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Tell her she gotta get food first. He didn't say better. Yes, they did. Stop. Say cheese. Stop. You're gonna eat food. Nope. Keegan said eat food. Alright, Kike. So I just finished the potatoes. The asparagus is in the air fryer, and Kamora said, "Do not be a bully. Do not be a bully. Hey, hey, this is a bully-free zone. Ah, this is a bully-free zone." But yeah, so the salmon is in the oven. And my camera's gonna die, y'all. So I have to go charge it. So see y'all in the next clip. Bye. Cause period. Cause period. Cause who? Cause don't play with her. Don't play with her. Don't play with her. I'll catch y'all. Excuse me. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Bye. Y'all still here? No, I'm just playing y'all. Bye.
12 o'clock midnight.
Come! Mommy! Mommy, oh my God! Mommy, oh my God! Mommy!
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh my God! Mommy, oh my God!
Come on, world. You don't need a cup to go to sleep.
Days later.
Turning around. Are you turning around?
Here. Here. Come on, world. Get in this bathroom. Now. Let's go. Here.
What do you mean?
Mommy said no. Ah. So, ta-da!
What do we do? Let's take a mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. What is spraying my hair? What is spraying this hair? Okay,
The fact that y'all popped in at the same time. I get friend. They're my best friend. They're my best friend.
What are you talking, mommy?
Hi, Key. This is Kimberly, Kia's daughter. Do I have to do the application to become a security guard again, or I'll just go through you? Again, you reach me at 7. Thank you. Okay, I know I looked a hot mess in that last clip, but I had just called my security manager when I stayed out with my mama. Y'all, we finna try. I'm pretty sure y'all didn't have this before, but why not eat it in front of y'all? But yeah, so here's Kamora. I just got off the phone with my security manager. I used to work there with my mama. I used to work there with my mama at FedEx when I was pregnant with Kamora, and then he moved me to this other site. And I had ended up moving to St. Louis with my baby daddy. Now I'm back here and on my job back.
Not be a buggy. You.
But yeah,
I
I like doing security. I ain't gonna lie. The two The 2 security jobs that I did have, I worked. Anyway, y'all, I don't know why my storage on my iPad keeps saying I don't have a lot of storage. Baby, I don't got nothing on this iPad. Like I was saying, like, I love doing security jobs. The 2 security jobs I did have, they was pretty easy. Didn't really have to do nothing. The first one was FedEx, like I said before. And then he moved, it was really 3. It was FedEx, and then he moved to this site called, I feel like I'm talking fast, but that's just me, I promise y'all. But he moved to this other site, and I checked the truck's papers and stuff. Like, it was pretty easy. I sat on my ass all day, so cool. Now, when I moved to St. Louis, I had 2 lockup gates at a mall. It was a small mall, so I wasn't really tripping, because there wasn't a lot of people there. And then it was around COVID time, so it really wasn't a lot of people there. Hopefully he get me back, because he didn't answer. As y'all can see, I have to leave him a voice message. Yeah, this iPad finna piss me off. But yeah, y'all. So, I did not feel like recording. Was it yesterday? Yes, yesterday. The girl just was not feeling it. I just wasn't feeling it. So here we are. Wednesday. June 28th. At 4:20. And y'all watched me eating this sushi. I was not feeling it yesterday. Y'all, these little lashes I got on it are so cute. Girl had them little lashes in a minute. When I put these on, baby, rip me out the plastic, I be acting brand new. Acting brand new. Period. I really didn't want to. I just wanted to get on here and tell y'all what's going on. Shit at all. But I just feel like the world we live in today, your mental gotta be there. Cause it's some fucked up people in this world. This right here, the mind is a powerful thing. It really is. Like, if you need help, go get some help. I don't want to get too spiritual with y'all. Y'all need to get right with the Lord. Y'all need to get right with the Lord. If you don't get right with nothing else, get right with Him. You heard Kamora. That man. That sushi. Kamora does have a dentist appointment tomorrow at Kamora has a dental appointment tomorrow at 11:40. So I'll be taking you guys along with me. You see Kamora, she probably gonna act a damn, excuse me, fool in this doctor's office. In this dental office. Y'all don't see. Okay. But I need keys to call your girl back, cause back to work, boss man. For real. Yeah, I really need my head though. Like, it's giving. God dang. You gonna get your head up. But yeah, so I really ain't doing nothing exciting. So when I do something exciting, I'll pick up the camera and I'll show y'all. But other than that, bye. Oh, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, baby, what you doing? What is you doing watching this channel? What is you doing watching this video? And you're not subscribed to this channel? Get there. Punch that bell. And join Key Gang. Cause what are you doing? You hear my baby? She said, what you doing? Join Key Gang. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all. We'll catch y'all later. Bye!
The next day.
Facts.
I woke up at 6 o'clock thinking Kamora had a dental appointment, and I checked my phone just to make sure. And guess what? It wasn't. Our appointment's not until tomorrow at 11:40, so I will be taking you guys along with me tomorrow. I just want to say, if you guys made it this far in this video, I love you. Mwah, mwah. Thank you for all your support. Thank you to my 52 subscribers that I have right now. We're on our road to 100 subscribers, baby. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, June 29th, and it is 10:32 in the morning. I got Kamora dressed first, and then as you can see, I got myself dressed. I ain't got on nothing special. Got on my little Daisy Dukes. There go that ass. Bam. Yeah, my hair grown by itself. My shirt is, my mom bought me this shirt. I think she said she got it from Rainbow. And the shorts are from Walmart. $3. And don't walk. Run to your nearest Walmart. Because Walmart is coming up on their clothes section, boo-boo kitty. Because baby, we bougie on a budget. Okay? We bougie on a budget. I'm not going to end this vlog tomorrow. I'm going to end it Saturday because my mom told me yesterday, I think we're having some type of fireworks on Saturdays where we at, and I want to go, and because I want to vlog, I want to, you know, getting in my content era. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys liking my videos. Like, talk to your girl, I'll respond back. But yeah, so I really don't have nothing planned today. I kind of want to do a tea party with Kamora. Like, I want to clean her kitchen. I want to clean all her stuff that's in her kitchen, and I want to do a tea party. But that's probably gonna be in another vlog, like next week's vlog, or I might just drop a vlog. So yo, notification squad, baby, what are you doing? And if y'all can't hear me, I'm sorry, because there's a fan right here in my mama room, but I'm talking loud on purpose. But yeah, so I really don't have nothing planned today for you guys. These lashes I got, hold on, rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
But these lashes, they cute, they simple. It's giving bad bitch vibes. It's giving one woman. It's giving South girl era. I need to finish editing. I pretty much did all the editing I can do, but I'm gonna go back and just do a final cut. I'm getting better with this editing, y'all. Like, if y'all, your girl getting better with this editing, boo-boo kissy. Just wait. We all gonna grow together. We're gonna grow together. Y'all gonna watch me grow, and y'all gonna grow with me. But yeah, so I'm probably not gonna in this vlog until like tomorrow, and then Saturday, and then y'all see this vlog Monday. And if you're not subscribed to Key Gang, baby, what is you doing? What are you doing if you watching this video and you not subscribed, baby? Pause this video right now. Pause. Hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on. But I love y'all more, love y'all more, and I will see y'all tomorrow because I need to do a lot of editing, and your girl not gonna be on the screen until tomorrow. Bye.
A few minutes later.
First, I just want to say, don't walk to Walmart. Run. Like, pew! And go to the camera section and get a selfie stick. The picture either in the description box or I'm gonna have it on the screen. But baby, this comes in handy because I ain't gotta go click and click. All my content creators, if you know, you know. But yeah, I just want to get on here and I just want to say a couple of words about motherhood. One, shit ain't easy. Okay. Two, there is no rule, there is no guidebook, there is no wrong, there is no right way. It's you just learn. You're learning. Like I'm learning now. I'm drinking it. But don't beat yourself up. If you are a mother and you are watching my channel, do not beat yourself up. Because that was me. It's still me. But it's like I'm getting a little better at it. It's just like I just be frustrated. Like I get frustrated easily. And it's like they say your kid is a reflection of you. So it's just me looking at Kamora and the way she acts. It's just like, is my attitude bad? Like, and it's me growing. Like, my attitude stinks. My attitude stinks. Like, it's giving stuck up. Like, but her attitude stinks. Like, y'all gonna see. Like, I'm gonna put some behind the scenes of Kamora and me and in my future vlogs. Y'all gonna see it in this one. She was cutting up too in here. You have a toddler and they're cutting up and screaming and hollering and throwing fits. Me, I used to yell and scream. I still do because I'm still learning. Then I get her little tap on her little bottom or I pop her in her mouth. If anybody tell you gentle parenting is the way to go, baby, look how their kids are treating them. That's just my opinion, but you know, to each his own. But so like now, it's like when she do that, don't get me wrong, she still gonna get her little butt tap because you're not gonna be acting like that boo-boo kitty. But it's like I pick up the camera, like I did. And you see, she calmed down a little bit, but she was acting up for the camera. But that's just for me. Like for me to calm down. I know she's having her moment. Maybe she's having that moment for a reason. Like, maybe I need to step back and reevaluate and just, you know, see what's really going on. So, that's one thing that I'm learning being a mother. Like, that she's at that stage, she's 3. Whew, drink another one. But, don't beat yourself up. You are doing great. You are doing great, whether if you got the support, whether if you don't got the support. Like, you're doing great. Like, you're doing great. I just feel like we as mothers, we beat ourselves up so much. And it took for me to become a mother to understand why mothers be so frustrated. It took me to become a mama. Because, baby, come on, Imani. I'm surprised I ain't got no gray hair up in here, baby. Even though they say gray hair, you have good legs, damn. It's getting real stressed. But yeah, Kamora, she's not bad. She just don't listen. Like, she just really don't listen. Like, it's just fuck what I say. And she gonna do it anyway. And I'm trying to get her out of that. Like, and I feel like a part of that is because she's not in school. That's another story for another day. But I'm in the process. Like, everything is slowly, surely coming together. Like, she's very smart. We're gonna get there. It's just, we guys gotta trust the process. And we gotta trust. I was looking at this YouTube, I think her name was Tasia. She was watching a sermon and it was basically saying, trust God's silence. Like, trust him even when he's silent. And I am trusting him. Like, I really am. Because it's like, sometimes you feel like, why, God? Like, why? Like, why? Why is this happening and this is going on in my life? Or just why? Like, why itself? Like, I've stopped questioning him. Like, I've stopped doing that. Because it's just like, he's preparing you for something. And I feel like he's preparing me for something. Like, he's finna pave the way for me to reach out to anybody, somebody even watching this right now. Like, I'm trusting his silence. Like, just a journey, and it's probably my journey that I'm going through too. Like, self-healing. Like, I need a lot of healing. I got a lot of generational curses that I want to break. But I do want to do like a sit down and talk with y'all. Like, I want to get deep. Like, I like conversations that stimulate my mind. Like, it makes me think before I say something. So let me know in the comments if y'all want to do like a key talk. Let me know if y'all want me to do that on my channel. Like, let your girl know something. Like, give me some feedback. Talk to me. Engage. Don't just watch me talk. Comment. Like, all that. Hit me in the DMs like, hey, Key, da 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 da, and I'm gonna be like, do 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 do, like, for real. But I love y'all for real. With the love that I've been receiving since I've started this a year ago, like, it's just, I love it. Let me get off this camera before I start crying, because I am a crybaby. Like, I am. But no, for real, like, I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I really appreciate you tune in every Monday. I appreciate my notification squad. Baby, we here. I kind of want to, like, in the near future, I want to reach back out to y'all. Like, I want to, like, give away something free, like, just to show my appreciation to y'all. Like, so stay tuned. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you like your girl, if you like your girl energy, I'm a vibe. And if you ain't vibe with me, that's on you, boo boo. I'm just myself. I'm just myself. Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. I got my lashes on, so you know it's really true. And I'm a Gemini, boo. Okay, y'all, I'm going for real. Because if you ain't subscribed to the channel, what you doing? What you doing? But alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.
The next day.
Close your mouth. No, close. You said close. Close it, mommy. Close your mouth. There you go.
Alright, y'all, I'm recording on my iPad because my camera, my camera is dead and my phone don't have no storage. But we are at the dentist's office. Say hi.
Hi, I was sitting down when you bought.
She did so good at the dentist's office, y'all. I am so proud of her. But I will catch y'all when we get back in the car because my iPad is finna die. So, bye. Let me tell y'all how we just almost lost our life in this car. Because if you don't know me, I don't like spiders. If you know me, you already know how I was acting in this car, bro. Like, we on our way back from the dentist's office, right? Okay, cool. So I'm driving, you know, do with my one hand, being cool, whatever, being cute. I looks down, and it's a whole spider on the steering wheel, y'all. So you know, I just lost all my train of thought, and I had to come back to reality because spider on this steering wheel. Baby, when I tell you I skirt, it's, baby, I don't, no. No. But yeah, y'all. So, anyways, on a good note, Kamora did very well at her dentist appointment. I am so proud of her. I think I want to end this vlog right here. Alright, y'all. I am not going to end this vlog today. I'm going to end it tomorrow. So this is going to be a very, very long vlog. But it's okay because I'm giving you what y'all want. I'm giving y'all content. So right now we are on our way to the beach. Say hi, Kamora. Hey. After we got back from the dentist office, we just came back here, we relaxed, you know, we did what we did. And now we're about to go to the beach. Get our toes wet. They're my best friend. They're my best friend. They're my
Huh? Yeah, mama gonna go in the water with you, baby. Period.
The next day.
We outside. But hey, Key Gang.
I ain't make
They got my best friend.
What's up, Key Gang?
It is Saturday, July 1st, and it is 1 o'clock. I got up late today, so that's why your girl didn't check in this morning, because we didn't get up to about 11, 12 o'clock. So hey, Key Gang, come on. Hey. Alright, because I'm not going to be carrying this because it is raining, and yeah, so we'll catch y'all when we get back to the house. Bye.
Mommy in the shower. Mommy in the shower.
6 hours later.
I feel like I have been on this camera all day, Key Gang. But this is a special vlog because guess who here, y'all? Period. I don't think I fully introduced my best friend. Period. 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 Beach part 2 today. Okay. Mom, you want to say something, please?
Nah.
That my mama. That my mama.
Way to the beach. That's it. That is it. He said Memorial Day. When was Memorial Day?
Right.
Oh.
Yeah, this what we gonna be at right there.
They trying to make it quick.
Yeah, we outside again. Beach part 2. Toes in the scene. Take your shoes off. Huh? Do she keep her shoes on? Okay. I know this water is freezing. Cold as this deeper. What in the food? Cause what is going on? It's cold as this thing. Yeah, we at the beach part 2. Part 2. And I got my best friend with me, so you know we lit. Oh. Yeah, this is so peaceful. But this water is cold as well. It's the summertime, baby. We outside.
And what about it?
Period.
How you start to get on the jet ski?
That probably is. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I want to do this.
But
Y'all, walking in the sand will make you look stupid and dumb out. Like, cause what? Oh.
Hey, if you wanna come over,
All you
have
gotta
to do is this.
Yeah, so do.
All you have to do is.
Let me clean my camera.
All you have to do is this.
pizza papa is the pizza papa. Just love me. You crying. Hey.
It's a piece of